Every second, lightning strikes the Earth about 100 times. That's a staggering amount of energy. But have you ever wondered what would happen if just one of those bolts decided to never stop? What if a single bolt of lightning struck the same spot forever? Let's explore this electrifying thought experiment. Initially, the consequences are immediate and destructive. Imagine a lone tree in an open field. The first strike is cataclysmic, a blinding flash, a deafening roar, and the tree is instantly vaporized, turning to ash. The ground beneath it doesn't fare much better. The immense heat melts the soil, fusing sand and minerals into a glassy substance called fulgurite. But this is just the beginning. As the lightning continues its relentless assault, strike after strike, the heat intensifies. The newly formed glass begins to glow, and soon the ground itself turns red-hot, transforming into a pool of molten rock, like a miniature lava lake. The air around this spot becomes a toxic brew of steam, ozone, and superheated gases. The constant crackle of electricity fills the air, and a metallic, burnt smell permeates for miles around. This localized hotspot begins to affect its surroundings. The intense radiant heat ignites nearby grass and vegetation, starting a fire that slowly spreads outward. The ground trembles with the unending release of energy, a constant, localized earthquake. Over hours, the continuous impacts carve out a crater. After days, this crater deepens into a molten pit. If this relentless barrage continues for weeks, it could even breach underground water tables, causing massive steam explosions that would violently reshape the landscape. The atmospheric effects would be just as dramatic. The constant electrical discharge would charge the air, creating a massive field of static energy. Birds wouldn't be able to fly anywhere near the area. Any electronic devices brought within miles would be instantly fried. The very air would become a hazard zone. The planet would try to fight back, of course. The immense heat would draw in moisture, creating heavy rainfall. But as rain falls, it would instantly turn to steam upon contact with the superheated ground, creating a dense, permanent fog. The lightning, however, would never cease, punching through the rain and steam without pause. After years of this unending assault, a new, permanent geological and meteorological feature would form on our planet. A vast, glowing pit of molten earth, surrounded by miles of blackened, lifeless ground. And directly above it, a permanent, self-sustaining supercell thunderstorm, feeding off the energy from the ground below. This storm would act as an eternal lightning tower, channeling its fury into that one, single, tortured spot on the Earth's surface, forever. It's a powerful reminder that forever is a very, very long time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy exploring these mind-bending scenarios, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.